Welcome to my YouTube channel, Competitive Examinations World with Sandhya, in daily dose of general awareness. Global and geopolitical. 1. NATO Summit in The Hague. At the 2025 NATO Summit, June 24th to 25th in The Hague, member nations committed to increasing defense spending to 5% of GDP by 2035, covering 3.5% hard defense and 1.5% soft capabilities. They reaffirmed ironclad support for Article 5 and pledged continued assistance to Ukraine. Former U.S. President Trump, invited to attend, received a warm diplomatic welcome. Allies appear intent on securing U.S. engagement while balancing a gradual pivot toward European strategic autonomy. 2. Middle East ceasefire holds. A tentative ceasefire between Israel and Iran, brokered by the U.S. and Qatar, came into effect on June 24th and remains stable as of Wednesday morning. No confirmed strikes have taken place since then. Markets and economy. Global markets rallied, oil dropped 65 barrel, boosting equities, while the euro strengthened against the dollar. Fed futures now fully expect a 25 BP rate cut by September, possibly as early as July, amid soft U.S. economic indicators. Corporate movers. FedEx shares fell on weak guidance. Tesla saw another drop in EU sales, minus 41% year over year, though broader EV demand in Europe kept rising. BlackBerry surged 9% pre-market after upsizing its revenue forecast. In the UK, Asda reported a £599 million loss. Lego UK posted 12% revenue growth. Babcock International surged on strong earnings. Stock markets mixed. The S&P 500 remained flat at record near levels. Nasdaq and Dow had modest gains or losses. Tech stocks and Nvidia, Microsoft hit all-time highs. Oil and commodities. Oil bounced back after a big drop earlier this week on ceasefire hopes. Gold and Bitcoin traded higher, with Bitcoin holding above $107,000. Fed commentary. Fed Chair Powell testified before the Senate, warning that inflation from tariffs remains a concern, and hinted markets may anticipate a rate cut as early as July. Entertainment. Marvel released the final trailer for Fantastic Four: First Steps, introducing the ominous presence of Galactus and the Silver Surfer played by Julia Garner, a major milestone for the MCU. Science and climate. The World Meteorological Organization report warns that Asia is warming at twice the global rate, posing serious risks to economies and ecosystems. At climate negotiations SB62 in Srinagar, over 300 experts are advancing first biennial transparency reports reflecting rising commitment to climate accountability. Notable cultural and local highlights. Irish author Donal Ryan won the Orwell Prize for Political Fiction for Heart, Be at Peace on June 25th. In the Great Lakes Bay region, USA, summer events kicked off. Concerts, nature programs, and fireworks festivals are now underway. Regional and local news. Colombia landslide. A tragedy near Metal in Bello claimed 11 lives and left 15 people missing. South Korea leadership. President Lee Jae-myung, elected June 3rd, designated Ang Gyubak as defense minister on June 23, the first civilian in that role since 1961. UK disposable vape ban. The UK implemented a ban on the sale of disposable vapes as part of its public health policy. Sports and events. In the FIFA Club World Cup, Borussia Dortmund beat Ulsan Hyundai 1-0 in a key match on June 25th. A dynamite in Seattle included the return of Ibushi, along with a high-stakes casino gauntlet match. The World Judo Championships wrapped up in Budapest June 13th to 20th, featuring individual and mixed team events. That's all for the day. Namaste.